Making friends in English can feel daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Start with simple introductions. A warm smile and a friendly, "Hi, I'm Alex," can open doors. Next, share a bit about your background, where you're from, or what you do. People love to connect over shared experiences. When the conversation flows, dive into your work or studies. Ask about their job or what they're studying. It's a great way to find common ground. Travel stories are always a hit. Everyone loves a good adventure. Don't forget to talk about food and favorites. Who doesn't enjoy discussing their favorite dish or restaurant? Hobbies and interests are perfect for sparking deeper conversations. Finally, share your weekend plans or ask about theirs. It's a natural way to keep the chat going. With these conversation starters, you'll be making instant connections in no time.
1. Simple introductions.
Hi, I'm Alex. It's nice to meet you.
Hi, Alex. I'm Maria. It's nice to meet you, too. Are you new here? I haven't seen you around before.
Yes, I just moved here last week from Chicago. I'm still getting to know the area. It's a bit different from what I'm used to.
Oh, welcome to the neighborhood. Where are you living? Maybe I can give you some recommendations for good places to visit.
I'm staying near the city center, close to the park. Do you know of any good coffee shops around there? I'm a big coffee fan.
Absolutely. There's a great little cafe called The Daily Grind, just a few blocks from the park. They have amazing coffee and pastries. You should definitely check it out.
That sounds perfect. Thanks for the tip, Maria. Maybe I'll see you there sometime.
I hope so.
2. Where are you from?
Hi, I'm David. Where are you from? I like your accent. It sounds interesting.
Hi, David. Thank you. I'm Eric from Japan. I've been told I have a strong accent. I've been working on it, but it's part of me. Have you ever been to Japan?
No, I haven't. But I'd love to visit someday. I've seen pictures of Kyoto, and it looks stunning. What's it like living there?
It's beautiful. We have amazing temples in cities like Tokyo and Osaka, and delicious food. The culture is very vibrant and lively. It's a great place to be.
Wow, that sounds incredible. I'd especially love to try some authentic Japanese food. Do you have any favorite dishes?
Oh, there are so many. But you must try okonomiyaki, a savory Japanese pancake, and yakitori, which are like chicken kebab sticks. They're so good.
I'll keep that in mind. Thanks for sharing, Eric.
3. What do you do?
Hi, I'm Sarah. What do you do?
Hi, Sarah. I'm a student. I'm studying computer science at the university. It's pretty challenging, but I enjoy it. What about you?
I work in a bookstore. I love reading, so it's a perfect job for me. I'm always surrounded by books.
That sounds like a dream job for a book lover. Do you get to read a lot at work? Or are you mostly organizing shelves and helping customers?
It's a mix of both. I do get some downtime to read, especially during the slower hours. It's a really relaxing environment. Do you have any hobbies besides studying?
I like to play video games and go hiking in my free time. It helps me to relax after a long day of studying.
That's cool. Maybe we could go hiking sometime.
4. Talking about travel plans.
Hi, I'm Liam.
Hi, Liam. I'm Chloe.
Have you been anywhere interesting lately?
Actually, yes. I just got back from a trip to Italy. It was amazing.
Wow, Italy. That's been on my bucket list for ages. Where in Italy did you go?
I spent a week in Rome, then traveled to Florence and Venice. Each city was so different and beautiful.
I've heard Venice is incredible. Is it really like the pictures with all the canals?
Even more so. It's like stepping back in time. The gondola rides are a must-do, even though they're a bit touristy. Did you ever travel anywhere exciting?
I went camping in Yosemite National Park last summer. I had never seen such big trees.
That sounds amazing. I love nature as well.
5. Discussing favorite foods.
Hi, I'm Sophia. What's your favorite type of food?
Hi, Sophia. I'm Ethan. I'm a big fan of Mexican food. I love the spices and the variety of dishes. What about you?
I love Thai food. It's so flavorful with the perfect balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy. Have you ever tried it?
I've had pad thai before, but that's about it. Are there any other dishes you'd recommend?
Definitely. You should try green curry or tom yum soup. They're both delicious. Do you cook Mexican food at home?
Sometimes. I can make pretty good tacos and guacamole.
Maybe we can have a cooking night sometime.
6. Talking about hobbies.
Hi, I'm Noah. What do you do in your free time? Do you have any hobbies?
Hi, Noah. I'm Olivia. I love to paint. I find it really relaxing, and it's a great way to express myself. What about you?
I play the guitar. I've been playing since I was a kid. I also like to go hiking and camping.
That's cool. What kind of music do you play on the guitar?
Mostly rock and blues. I'm trying to learn some jazz, but it's quite challenging. Do you paint landscapes or portraits?
I prefer landscapes. I love capturing the beauty of nature.
7. Discussing weekend plans.
Hi, I'm Jackson. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Hi, Jackson. I'm Ava. I'm going to visit my family. They live in a small town about 2 hours away. What about you?
I'm planning to go to a museum. There's a new exhibition on ancient Egypt that I really want to see.
That sounds interesting. I love history. Which museum are you going to?
The City Museum. Have you been there before?
Yes, it's great. They have a really impressive collection. I hope you enjoy it.
Thanks. Maybe I will go to a movie after.
8. Discussing books and movies.
Hi, I'm Aiden. Have you read any good books or seen any interesting movies lately?
Hi, Aiden. I'm Isabella. I just finished reading a really great novel called The Secret Garden. It was so captivating. Have you heard of it?
I think so. Isn't it a classic children's book?
Yes, but it's enjoyable for adults too. I also saw a great movie last week called Lost in Translation. It was very thought-provoking.
I love that movie. It's one of my favorites. What did you think of the ending?
I found it a bit ambiguous, but I think that's what made it so powerful.
I agree.